Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for mastering Python, the superfunction. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding superfunction can take your object-oriented programming skills to the next level. So let's get started. Alright, so what exactly is the superfunction? In Python, when you're dealing with inheritance, sometimes you need to access methods and attributes from a parent class within a subclass. That's where superfunction comes in handy. Let's take a look at a simple example. Here I will paste the code to save time. In this code, we have a parent class and a child class. Inside the parent class, we've defined an attribute called parent attribute. Next I defined a parent method, which prints a message. This is a method from parent class. Next we have a child class, that inherits from the parent class. Inside the child class, we've defined an attribute called child attribute. And I defined a child method, which prints a message, method from child class. Let's create an object for the child class. C equals child. If I want to access the child attribute, then I can write C.child attribute. Let's run this. As you can see, it print out that I'm from the child class. But what if I want to access the parent attribute from child class? C.parent attribute. If I run this, as you can see, it raises an attribute error saying that child object has no attribute parent. And that's where the superfunction comes in use. So let's use it. Inside the child constructor, I will write super dot double underscore init double underscore. If I run this now, it simply prints the parent attribute. Pretty cool, right? Superfunction allows us to initialize the attributes of the parent class and the child class. But wait, there's more. Superfunction isn't just limited to calling the parent class's constructor. You can also use it to access parent class methods. Let's look at another example. Here we have a class called parent, which have a method called whoami, which prints I am the parent. And we also have a child class inherits from the parent class. It also have a method whoami, which prints I am the child. If I call this method from child class, so it will print I am the child. But what if I want to call the method from parent class within the child class? You can see here that the child class overrides the method whoami. In this case, we will use superfunction. So here I will write super dot and the method name which we want to call who am I. Let's run this. As you can see, it prints out I am the parent, I am the child. It calls both the method of child class as well as the method of parent class. So, why should you use superfunction instead of directly calling the parent class's methods or attributes? Well, superfunction provides a way to make your code more maintainable and flexible. If you ever decide to change the parent class or the inheritance hierarchy, you won't have to update every occurrence of the parent class's name in your code. And that's a wrap on our tutorial on superfunction in Python. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding how to leverage inheritance effectively in your Python projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching.